Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. So guys, if you're also facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply update your software to the latest version. So guys, open your settings and from here scroll it below and tap on general and tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, check it, and if there is any update available, simply update it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, simply force restart your device, and after this you have to again open your settings and tap on general, and from here scroll it below, and from here you have to go to your language and region, and from here go to your region section and select your country or region correctly from here. So guys, select your country correctly, and after this go back, and from here you have to again scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open any browser in your device. So guys, here I am opening my Google Chrome and search here for iforgot.apple.com. so guys, here it is. Go to this website and you have to tap on help someone else, and from here you have to simply enter your email or phone number that is associated with your Apple ID, and from here you have to simply forget your password of your Apple ID for one time. So guys, you have to simply forget your password for your Apple ID for one time, and then you have to simply change your password for your Apple ID as well. So guys, do this and again check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply search here for support.apple.com. so guys, here it is, and from here select your device. So guys, wait here for some seconds, and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here you can see you can get any kind of support from the Apple team from here. So as you have to simply tap on start now button, and after this you will be able to get support from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will oversight this matter regarding your Apple ID, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.